Good morning students. I am Professor Rashi Bansal from PG Department of Mathematics, Khalsa College, Patiala. Today we will discuss about the topic Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. This is the topic of the subject Algebra and Trigonometry. This is the subject of the classes BSc Honours Maths first year, BSc CSM first year, BSc Non-Medical first year and BA first year. Firstly, for the study of the definition of the Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices, we will remind the definition of the transpose of a matrix. This is the definition you have already done in your previous class. I will remind you about the definition of a transpose of a matrix. The matrix obtained from a given matrix A by interchanging its rows and columns is called transpose of A. See what is this? When we interchange the rows and columns of some matrix, it will be called transpose of A. The matrix obtained from a given matrix A by interchanging its rows and columns. It is called the transpose of A, and it is denoted by A dash or AT. We can denote it by A dash or AT. Now see example. For example, we have a matrix A. Here it is a matrix of 2 cross 3 order. When we interchange its rows and columns, its first row become this column. 7, 9, 8. It's become first column, and second row is there 2, 1, 3. So the order of this matrix is 3 cross 2. So when we have interchanged the rows and columns, it is called the transpose of a matrix. You can take any another example. Let us take example B. Here we will take the example 7 minus 3 4 2 1 9 minus 5 8 9. When we will transpose this matrix, it will become 7 minus 3 4 2 1 9 minus 5 8 9. Here also rows become columns and column becomes rows. Now let us come upon some important results that we have already done. Transpose of a transpose of matrix is A. When we will again transpose this matrix, definitely it will become A. Another result is A plus B transpose. It will become A transpose plus B transpose. Now third result is KA transpose. It will become KA transpose. What is K? K is here any complex number. K can be any real or complex number. When we will apply the transpose upon this number, the transpose will apply upon only the matrix A, not upon the number K. Another result is transpose of AB. It will become B transpose and A transpose. It is called the reversal law of the transpose of matrices. When we will apply the transpose on product of matrices, the result will be B transpose A transpose. Now come upon the definition of a conjugate of a matrix. What is conjugate of a matrix? Matrix obtained from a given matrix by replacing its elements by its complex conjugates is called conjugate matrix. What is conjugate matrix? When we replace all the elements of the matrix by its complex conjugate, it is called the conjugate of a matrix. Now what is complex conjugate? Let us take an example. A complex number Z. It is 2 plus 3 iota. When we will conjugate it, it will become 2 minus 3 iota. Here we will change the sign of only the imaginary part of the complex number. You know this is the real part and this is the imaginary part of the complex number. We will change only the sign of the imaginary part of the complex number. Let us take another example. Minus 4 plus 7 iota. It will become minus 4 minus 7 iota. We will change the sign of only the imaginary part of that complex number. Similarly, in the matrix, when we replace all the elements by its complex conjugate, it will be called conjugate matrix, or it is denoted by A bar. Let us take an example A. This is a matrix A. 2 plus 3 iota minus 7 minus 9 minus 8 iota minus 7 plus 11 iota. When we will conjugate it, it will become 2 minus 3 iota minus 7 minus 9 plus 8 iota minus 7 minus 11 iota. Here I have interchanged the sign of imaginary part of all the elements of that matrix. So it become conjugate matrix. It is denoted by A bar. Now we will discuss the definition of the conjugate of the matrix. For the study of the definition of the Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices, firstly we have to study the definition of the transpose of a matrix, its conjugate and its conjugate of a matrix. Now what is the conjugate of a matrix? Conjugate of matrix. The transpose of conjugate of a matrix is called conjugate of matrix. What is conjugate? Here we will apply the conjugate as well as transpose of that matrix. Let us take example. We have taken a matrix A. Here this is the matrix A of 2 cross 2 order. When I will firstly transpose this matrix, you can also take the firstly conjugate and after that transpose. 7 plus 3 iota minus 2 minus 4, 8 plus 4 iota. Here I have taken the transpose of a matrix. After that we will taken the conjugate of that matrix. It will be denoted by A theta and it is denoted by A theta. This is the notation of that matrix, conjugate of a matrix. So here we will interchange the sign of change the sign of the imaginary part. This is the transpose of a conjugate of a matrix. So what is conjugate of a matrix? Here we will apply firstly the transpose, after that conjugate on that same matrix and it will become A theta. You can also apply firstly the conjugate and after that its transpose. Let us take another example B. Minus 9, 4 plus 3 iota minus 2 minus 11 plus 14 iota minus 4, 7 minus 2 plus 11 iota minus 12, 7 plus 9 iota. This is the matrix of 3 cross 3 order. Here I will firstly take the conjugate of that matrix. It will become 4 minus 3 iota minus 2 minus 11 minus 14 iota minus 4, 7 minus 2 minus 11 iota minus 12, 7 minus 9 iota. Here I have taken the conjugate of all the elements of that matrix. Now we will apply the transpose on the same matrix. Then it will become B theta. When we will apply transpose, all rows become columns and all columns become rows. Here is B theta. So what is conjugate of a matrix? Firstly we will take transpose, after that its conjugate, or firstly conjugate and after that its transpose. So it will become conjugate of a matrix. Now we will come upon the definition of the Hermitian matrix. What is Hermitian matrix? A square matrix A. For the definition of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices, we have to take only the square matrices, because this definition is only applied on the square matrices. What is square matrices? That rows and number of rows and columns are same. That is, we should have order 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4. We have to take only the square matrices when we have to define the Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. Now what is Hermitian matrix? A square matrix A, you know, we can denote any matrix A by its elements Aij. Aij means all the elements of that matrix. I denote for row and J denote for columns. A square matrix A is called Hermitian matrix if Aij is equals to Aj conjugate. Here what we have done that Aij elements will be equals to Aj elements but by conjugate of that element. For example, if we have A12 element, it will definitely will be equals to A21 by taking its conjugate. I will explain you with some example. Let us take an example A. Firstly, we will take 2 cross 2 order of matrix 2 minus 3. In Hermitian matrix, the diagonal elements should always be real. So we have taken the diagonal elements real. Here I have taken the matrix 7 elements 7 plus 3 iota. So here what is A12 should be equals to A21, but by its conjugate it will become 7 minus 3 iota. This is the matrix A. This is the example of the Hermitian matrix. Now what is the necessary condition for the Hermitian matrix? That here A theta should be equals to A. By proving this, that A theta will be equals to A, we can prove that it is a Hermitian matrix. So we will find its A theta. Firstly, we will find its transpose. Now I will conjugate that matrix. It will become A theta 2 7 plus 3 iota 7 minus 3 iota minus 3. You see, it is equals to A. So this is the Hermitian matrix. Now you can obtain Hermitian matrix as you also. Here we have to take the diagonal element should be real and its another element should be in such a way that its Aij element should be equals to Aj elements by taking its conjugate. So here A theta is equals to A. Let us take another example B. We will take it of 3 cross 3 order. Firstly, we will take the diagonal elements real 7 minus 3 4. Here 2 plus 4 iota. This is A12 element. It should be equals to A21 element. 2 minus 4 iota by taking its conjugate. It is A13 minus 7 plus 8 iota. So here should be equals to minus 7 minus 8 iota. Another, let us take minus 9 plus 11 iota. Here it should be minus 9 minus 11 iota. This is the example of Hermitian matrix. Now we will find B transpose. It will become 7 2 plus 4 iota minus 7 plus 8 iota 2 minus 4 iota minus 3 minus 9 plus 11 iota minus 7 minus 8 iota minus 9 minus 11 iota 4. I have taken the transpose of that matrix B. Now we will conjugate that matrix B transpose of B theta. This is B theta. Now it will become 7 2 plus 4 iota minus 7 plus 8 iota 2 minus 4 iota minus 3 minus 9 plus 11 iota minus 7 minus 8 iota minus 9 minus 11 iota and 4. You see it is equals to B matrix. So it is a Hermitian matrix. For the Hermitian matrix, we have to take the elements that Aij should be equals to Aj by taking its conjugates. Then when we will find B theta, it will definitely become B. Because for Hermitian matrix, it is a necessary condition that A theta will be equals to A. Now, we come upon the definition of the skew Hermitian matrices. Now, what is the definition of skew Hermitian matrix? A square matrix A. Here we have also to take the matrix square matrix. A square matrix A is called skew Hermitian matrix if Aij will be equals to Aj bar. It is the same as Hermitian matrix, but what is the difference in definition of skew Hermitian matrix? Here the minus sign should also be there. It is the only difference in Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. We have to take the elements in such a way that the elements will be equals to its transpose Aj by taking a conjugate as well as its negative sign also. And it's for the definition of the skew Hermitian matrices. What is the necessary condition? A theta should be equals to minus A. Now let us take an example A. Here the diagonal element should either be 0 or purely imaginary. in the definition of the Hermitian matrix, the diagonal elements must be real. But in the definition of the skew Hermitian matrix, is the diagonal elements must be either 0 or purely imaginary. Purely imaginary numbers are, let us take an example, z is equals to 4 iota. It is a purely imaginary number because the real part is missing there. So, firstly we will take the diagonal elements. Here we will take 7 iota, here 0. Because diagonal elements can either be 0 or purely imaginary. Now, let us take any 7 plus 4 iota. So, here I have to take its conjugate and its negative sign also. See, 7 plus 4 iota. What will be its conjugate? 7 minus 4 iota. When we will apply the negative sign also, it will become minus negative sign on that, minus 7 plus 4 iota. So, here should be minus 7 plus 4 iota. We have to apply two operations. Firstly, the conjugate, after that its negative sign. You can also firstly apply the negative sign on that element, after that its conjugate. Now, we will find its A theta. A transpose will be 7 iota, 7 plus 4 iota, minus 7 plus 4 iota, 0. Now, we will find its conjugate. It will become A theta, minus 7 iota, minus 7 minus 4 iota, 7 minus 4 iota. Here should be minus 7 plus 4 iota, 0. See, it will be equals to minus A. It will be equals to minus A. So, in the definition of a skew Hermitian matrix, when we will take the elements in such a way that diagonal element should either be 0 or purely imaginary, and other elements are that Aij should be equals to Aji by taking the negative sign as well as its conjugate. It will definitely prove A theta will be equals to minus A. Let us take another example, B. We will take a matrix of 3 cross 3 order. 2 iota, 0, 4 iota, 2 plus 3 iota. Here I have to take its conjugate and negative sign also. It will become minus 2 plus 3 iota. Seven plus 9 iota. Here it will be minus 7 plus 9 iota. Minus 11 plus 14 iota. It will become 11 plus 14 iota. Now we will find its B theta. B transpose 2 iota, 2 plus 3 iota, 7 plus 9 iota, minus 2 plus 3 iota, 0, minus 11 plus 14 iota, minus 7 plus 9 iota, 11 plus 14 iota, 4 iota. Now we will conjugate that matrix. Conjugate. It will become minus 2 iota, minus 2 minus 3 iota, minus 7 minus 9 iota, 2 minus 3 iota, 0, 11 minus 14 iota, 7 minus 9 iota, minus 11 minus 14 iota, minus 4 iota. Now it is B theta. It is equals to B. You can see it is equals to minus B. Here the sign of all the elements have changed. So B is a skew Hermitian matrix. So for the definition of the skew Hermitian matrices, we have to take the elements Aij equals to minus of conjugate of Aj, and diagonal element should either be 0 or purely imaginary. So this is the definition of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices. Now we will do its properties of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrices and its examples in my next lecture. Thanks students. Thanks a lot.